Hello guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video I'm going to show what to do before you sell, give away, trade in, or recycle your Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now, let's begin. Preparing a Mac for sale, trade in, or recycling is more than just clearing files. It's about protecting your privacy, preserving your data, and ensuring that the next owner can set up the device without issues. Apple provides several tools to help users securely erase their information. Before you begin, if your Mac is covered by an AppleCare plan, you can cancel your AppleCare plan or transfer your AppleCare plan to a new owner. If your Mac won't turn on or start up, you can check the video from iButton and find out what to do if your Mac won't start up all the way. Then return to this video if your Mac starts up successfully. These steps will erase all of your data from your Mac. If you back up your Mac first, you can use that backup to restore your files to a new Mac. Or you can transfer your files from this Mac to another Mac. So proceed with caution and take necessary backups if needed. Now to reset the Mac, use Erase All Content and Settings. The Erase All Content and Settings feature makes it easier to reset your Mac to factory settings. If your Mac is a Mac with Apple Silicon or a Mac with the Apple T2 security chip, running macOS Monterey 12 or later, use Erase All Content and Settings to reset your Mac to factory settings. For that, open Settings, click General in the sidebar, and scroll down on the right and click Transfer or Reset. Here, click Erase All Content and Settings. Enter the password that you used to log into your Mac. An Erase Assistant will open. Follow the on-screen instructions. Before the erase process begins, you will see a summary of all the settings, media, data, and other items that will be erased or turned off. Click on Continue to proceed, and you may be asked to enter your Apple account password so that your Mac can sign out of Apple services. You may be asked if you want to back up your Mac before resetting it. After you've clicked the Erase All Content and Settings button to confirm that you want to proceed, your Mac will restart and briefly show a black screen or progress bar. And eventually, you'll boot to Recovery Assistant. Here, if your Mac needs to reconnect to a Bluetooth accessory, such as a keyboard or mouse, you may be asked to turn on the accessory. If the accessory doesn't connect within 30 seconds, turn the accessory off and back on. When reconnecting to a Bluetooth keyboard, you'll be asked to choose a language. Also, you may be asked to select a Wi-Fi network or attach a network cable. To proceed further, if your Mac doesn't have an Ethernet port, connect to Wi-Fi. After connecting to a network, your Mac will then activate and will restart. After your Mac restarts, a setup assistant will guide you through the setup process as if you're setting up your Mac for the first time. If you're selling, giving away, or trading in your Mac and want to leave it in an out-of-box state, don't use the setup assistant or your previously connected Bluetooth devices, if any. Just press and hold the power button on your Mac until it turns off, and you're done. So this was the method for Mac with Apple Silicon, or Mac with the Apple T2 security chip, running macOS Monterey 12 or later. If you have an older Mac and your Mac doesn't have the Erase All Content and Settings feature, you'll need to do a bit more steps. These steps are only for Intel Macs with non-T2 security chip, mid-2017 and prior. To perform these steps, you must be connected to the internet. Firstly, sign out of iTunes. If your Mac is using macOS Catalina 10.15 or later, you can skip this step. Now, sign out of iCloud. When you sign out of iCloud, you'll be asked whether to keep a copy of your iCloud data on this Mac. It's faster to keep a copy because you will erase your Mac later. Depending on your macOS version, open System Preferences or Settings, then click Apple ID. Select Overview in the sidebar, then click Sign Out. For earlier versions of macOS, choose Apple menu, then System Preferences, then click iCloud, then click Sign Out. Make sure to proceed with appropriate options. When asked, enter your password to continue. After you're signed out of iCloud, sign out of iMessage. Open the Messages app. From the menu bar in Messages, choose Messages, then Settings or Preferences. Click iMessage. Click Sign Out, and now you just need to erase your Mac and reinstall macOS. To do so, while starting your Mac, start up your Mac from macOS Recovery using Option Command R. Here, connect to a network to boot from Internet Recovery. When booted to recovery, use Disk Utility to erase your Mac from recovery and reinstall macOS from recovery. After reinstalling macOS, your Mac will restart to a setup assistant. Press Command Q to shut down instead of continuing the setup process. And now you can sell, give away, trade in, or recycle your Mac. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.